Hi, my name is Walter Palencia, and we are here at InfoComm 2026 with Uniguest and the Hub solution. Today, what I wanted to talk about was our enterprise video distribution system that is part of our Hub platform. So the beautiful thing about this is that we can take any video from anywhere, whether you upload it, whether it's a live stream, and be able to send it to any screen inside of your network, and be able to do something like our latest feature where we can do quad view, 4 streams, no latency, and with the remote control, be able to very easily select which audio source you wanted to use and be able to expand a particular stream while being able to go back. And the beautiful part of it is that right from the Hub platform, it becomes a very 1, 2, 3 type of setup. We love to go ahead and make everything intuitive, simple, single pane of glass control for all your video distribution across your network. If you want to learn more about what we're doing with the Hub platform over at Uniguest, make sure to reach out to us, uniguest.com, or reach out to us via our phone number on the website as well. Thank you very much.